Hi, are you looking for books na sobrang mura? So, ang Big Bad Wolf na ay nandito until June 1, 2025 and they are located at Green Hills. You can get a book as low as 20 pesos and sobrang dami nilang books, especially for kids. Sobrang matutuwa ang mga kids nyo dito. So, if you have time and you want to buy some books, punta na kayo ngayon sa Green Hills until June 1 lang sila.